Okay, today we are going to print some new parts for my AR-15. Um, this right here, the charging handle, I broke it I break the old one, and I got a new thing. This is my bolt catch. So yeah, I'm going to print these two things. So yeah. See you in a minute on the printer. So yeah. Alright, as you can see, we have printed the parts now. So yeah, you can see we got it right here. And a piece of steel. So now we are going to load them into the AR-15, lower and upper. So yeah, let's get started. Yeah, we got this. So let's just place it in here. Yeah, fine. Yeah. Yep. So yeah. Oh. Yeah. Mm, Now this right here is closed. So let's see if it is working. Yeah, it actually works pretty fine. Yeah. So now we are going to insert the new charging handle. So let's just. It's a bit tighter, but I think it is going to be less tighter when I have used it. So now we have plugged it in. Yeah, seems fine. Alright, so yeah. Yeah, yeah, now we are going to do a function test in a minute, so yeah, see you in a minute. Alright, and we have to shift the rubber bands because one of them is broken and I just got two stronger, so we have to shift both of them. I take these clamps I have made and just place them right here, turn the gun over, place this right here, so yeah. And then we are going to place them over this, and right here. Actually I think these are a bit too loose, so we just tighten them up a bit. Yeah, like that. So it's a bit tighter. I couldn't do this with the old one, but yeah. Alright, let's try to lock the bolt up. So you can see here we're going to lock it. Now this is up, you can see we got it raised. So no. I think actually we're going to take this right here and like that. So okay, so it's just slipping over. Oh, actually, right now it's fine. So let's try it. Oh, this one falling out. So let's just try to clamp it a bit more together, like that, and then we give it another try. So yeah, and we just clamped a bit too much, and yeah, like that. And then we're just going to clamp it a bit more. let's just place it like this. Yeah, just like that. So yeah, now we actually, yeah, we are good right now. So like that, and yeah, fine again. Let's just give it another try. And I actually think that I'm going to be able to do it without this right here. And yeah, now it's actually holding. Yeah, let's just pull this. Oh, so yeah, it's a bit awkward, but I think it's functioned some of the times. Let's just try to. It's meant for actually doing it like this. So yeah, here we got it. Oh, so yeah, let's try it. Yeah, I think this is pretty funny. I didn't just want to do it again. Yeah, and then we are going to try it again. Yeah, I actually think this is working pretty good, so I'm quite happy with how it turned out today. So thanks for watching, and see you at the next time where we're going to finish up this build with the, oh, I think we're going to print the gas block, and I just wanted to make it finished up with all the parts. So yeah, let's make the gas block next time, and then I think we're finished. Thanks for watching.